6 o'clock in the morning, everyone is already awake in the house. Precious moment for Oli Dibawada and the family.
We'll go take a shower. Let me go and prepare breakfast. Okay then. Morning, arms. Hurry up. Otherwise you're going to be late, so make sure you get...
First woman at the head of the Association of the Development of Education in Africa, Holly spent long time at work and traveled a lot around the world. These family moments are very important to her.
Breakfast, because Daddy, Samsu is going to be late. What do you want to eat? I'm actually not going to be late. You're not going to be late? Okay. All right, you sit here. Okay, sit there.
But Oli considers herself on mission.
My mission and my vision really is to help others grow. I have really had a privilege and blessings to grow professionally and personally in my own character, in my personality. And what I would want to do is to help those who are growing, to be able to find themselves. It is not easy in the global world that we are in for youths or people, transitioning from either high school to university or from one job to the other. What I really desire, what I really am passionate about, is to help these young men and women, and particularly women as well, to really find their own, explore and be able to find their own purpose in life.
This morning, Oli has to get to the ADA office hosted in the building of the African Development Bank in Abidjan.
She's a very committed person, very passionate in everything she does. She thrives. She really is hardworking. So that commitment and passion that she puts in everything she does, that's what gives her the quality that she has.
During the morning when you're going to school and dropping the kids off and so on, you spend a lot of time in traffic. So I try to leave a little later and get to the office. But then I spend more time later in the office as well.
After some time spent out of the office, she's happy to meet with her colleagues.
She needs a vacation.
On the agenda today, meeting and planning. A passion and a commitment are felt on the team.
I have a dream team. I have a team that is equally passionate. And for me, they are my engines. If they don't work, I can't work. So engaging with that team is key.
Humainement, Oley c'est une femme agréable, avec beaucoup d'humour, très profondément humaine, qui a un profond sens de la justice et de l'égalité en termes de pouvoir donner à chacun sa chance de s'épanouir et d'aller au-delà de ses capacités. Professionnellement, c'est une femme, bien sûr, je dirais, une femme africaine à l'image de beaucoup de femmes.
I'll talk about her passion. She's passionate.
Alors, je dirais que Oley est une femme très dynamique, consciencieuse, mais surtout très courageuse, parce que pour être à la tête d'une structure aussi complexe que l'ADA, il faut avoir beaucoup de courage.
Elle est toujours souriante.
C'est vraiment un manager que tout un chacun aurait souhaité avoir.
You want to work with her because she inspires confidence. She inspires trust.
Oley is the leadership in person, and she's also kind-hearted. She takes human being more than her job itself.
Parler de management à visage humain, c'est se référer à Madame Oley Dibawada.
For me, the thing I like most about Oley, working with Oley, is that Oley is an inspiring leader.
Pathways to inspire, motivate to aspire, that's a mission. Because she believes in people's capacity to overcome any trial in their life, Oley decided to be a mentor. Today, she is a certified life coach and young people regularly demand for her help.
When I joined the bank, I was the youngest senior communication officer here. So thanks to Oley right now, I can really feel comfortable when I'm talking with high level people, and especially when I talk with minister And when I talk with representatives from the United Nations and things like that.
I think as you've witnessed, with coaching you get a mixed bag of so many different things. People come with relationship issues, people come with career issues, people come with self-esteem issues. So our role as coaches is not to tell people what to do. You know, for me, the role of a coach is to really help the individual or the client discover what are some of the issues that is, you know, the voices in their head, some of the blockages or the fears that they have, and really help them to untangle those key areas. That is the role of the coach. I am an African woman on a mission, and I really want to help African boys and girls and women. These are the people that I engage with, these are the people that I come across in my career.
In 2012, Ole Dibawada was awarded Inspiring Women of Excellence in the Gambia, and Women Leadership Award followed the next year in Mauritius.
Day? Hey, hey, you guys are gonna fall.
How was your day? Good. How was school? Good. What did you do?
Soccer.
And